Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a little squirrel named Bucky Barnes. Bucky was not like the other squirrels in the forest. He was exceptionally friendly and loved to help everyone. One sunny day, Bucky noticed a group of birds struggling to reach a ripe, juicy apple high up in a tree. Bucky, seeing their predicament, ran to the base of the tree. "Dear birds," said Bucky, "I see you're having trouble reaching that apple. Allow me to help." The birds, surprised but grateful, agreed. Bucky, using his little nut-cracking tail, scaled the tree with ease, plucked the apple, and handed it to the birds. The birds, filled with joy, thanked Bucky warmly. From that day forward, the birds and Bucky became the best of friends. They shared stories, laughter, and adventures every day. Bucky's friendly nature brought joy and harmony to the forest. One night, as Bucky lay in his cozy nest, he thought about the day's events. He realized that being friendly could bring not just help, but also friendship. Bucky drifted off to sleep, his heart full of warmth and happiness. The next morning, Bucky woke up to the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the sounds of the forest. He knew that every day would bring new opportunities to be friendly, to help, and to make friends. And so, Bucky Barnes, the friendly squirrel, continued to live his life spreading joy and kindness in the forest, teaching everyone that a friendly heart can make the world a better place. The end.